What's up guys, it's me Geek. So finally I come here to buy a new device, Lenovo Legion Go. I have no interest in that device, but still I'm gonna buy because I need a really small compact laptop so I can easily carry with me. Before I look into ROG Asus, I'm a big fan of Asus. I'm using a $3,000 laptop from Asus, but the reason I did not get is that USB-C single. When I travel, I need two USB-C. One I connect with my SD card, and another my USB-C SSD 2 terabyte to copy the file. So I need at least two USB. I don't need any hub. I don't want to carry anything else. So my minimum requirement is two USB-C. So yeah, and 8.8 inch sweet spot. I'm especially for travel. I can easily carry a foldable keyboard, and then yeah, that is the reason I'm buying. Let's go inside and then let me show you. So this is the Broadway. No. So let's see. This is surface around 10.5 inch. The laptop will be a little bit smaller, 8.8 inch. Before I was going to buy the hello. Before I was going to buy this one, but again it's a very big one, so I said like it's also the price is high, so I'm going to buy the Lenovo Legion because I really want something small for gaming. I mean not for gaming, just for as a daily laptop. So I think the Lenovo Legion is the best option for me. Yeah, I think I should get this one. Even there's some like HSBC saving. Yeah, hello. I want this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Legion Go.
Legion Go. Yeah. I want. Huh?
You need the deposit. No stock.
When I can pick up?
Okay. What is that? Credit card, 300 rebate.
Oh, okay.
You know the rebate installment is okay.
Oh, okay. So it's available tomorrow to pick up?
Yeah, let me.
Okay.
That's okay.
6,000.